birthday and celebrate with our loved ones this holiday season. Give back over to you.
Luckily we got it. So maraming salamat. Lord, thank you so much.
Ganito na yung lalaro nila against you.
You know, honestly, I think more than anything, I saw their grit na they won't slow down without the fight talaga. And you know, as a young team, and tapos masasama na isang ibang veteran team sa attitude nila. Sabi, I think maganda din ang combination na susunod right now. So, I guess, one thing para mag-perform talaga pa sa next year. Yun yung mas mahaba, yun yung masunod-sunod na games, and mas crucial din yung mga games sa next year. So sana masustain namin the responsibility and accountability to be in that position. Siyempre, kailangan namin gawin sa atin. So, madaming nagbago na. But definitely,
Same question.
siguro defender also sa kabilang side sa net. And walang kaba yung bata. Pag nakikita mo din talaga sa harap, kita mo na confident din talaga si Thea. So I think that's really a good sign coming into the PBL. Kasi syempre, this is one of the biggest league here in the Philippines. So maganda yung aura niya din talaga. The confidence is there. So we can't wait to see more of her monster blocks and